opportunity to give you a video update on what it's like to hear a rally car on the dyno. Now, depending on your choice of car and choice of use, it varies a lot, but this particular car is pretty special to me because it's the sister car to my Group A car, which were built 1 year apart by originally Possum Bourne Motorsport in New Zealand on the back of Toshi Arai competing in these cars in Rally Australia in Perth many years ago. So here we are, 2018, and these cars are starting to get a bit long in the tooth, but this particular car, we've been chasing a misfire in the original ECU that was fitted to it many years ago, and we've just updated it with an original factory ECU and then done a custom tune. So it just goes to show you how far technology has come since these cars were built, because back then the original factory ECU wasn't able to be custom tuned, being an MY99 STI like my car. We then replaced those ECUs with aftermarket ECUs, and these cars with these performance engines are running restrictors. This particular one's a 32mm restrictor, my car's 34, and that's what's required with gravel rallying these days, and it was back then. So we've bumped in the original factory ECU, custom tuned it with Ecotech software, and then come up with a new package of performance. And of course the big advantage is the factory ECU's got active knock control. So if you want to understand the advantages of knock control, we'll talk about that in another video, but just wanted to have a listen to it. We'll get a dyno graph and just show you, because they're not always as quick as what people think, because they've got amazing torque coming on low and early, but then it falls off a cliff because of the restrictor to limit the amount of power and torque these cars can generate on gravel. But of course, when you're out in the forest, they put a huge smile on your face. So check out the graph and we'll talk about that when it's appropriate. But for now, replay the video, have a listen to the noise that we all like with a loud exhaust and a good old classic EJ series engine. And I hope this video has helped you no matter where you are in the world. If you've got a rally car or a road car, we're here to help. And of course, remember, we do custom tunes all around Australia through our partner workshops. And of course, you can Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, follow us there, subscribe to his channel. But for today, my name's Brett Middleton. Thanks for watching.